issue no wo. This say was about 2 days. Abra President Mama a directive say you put it up a team. As of Friday you came here. Now afei and the national security coordinator Mampenisha say on put up team together no krano invite various reps from the various investigative bodies na Mampeni eboboso.
Welcome to the Political Runs with me, the voice right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bible say a liar is on the same pedestal as a murderer. And let the church say amen. Now, over the past weeks, we have identified one Ghanaian man. Say Mijidi pa say onusa man no. Say Guinness World Records for Ombema Obi Award ewo wiase ayetinim. And I say o man Ghana mu say nipa we a otimi twantro pa no. Some man you identify no. Now what won name ne din no? Mebo ne din kire. Oye government spokesperson currently. Our John Dramani Mahama is Excellency na ban mo. And as some man your friend Felix Kwakye. Onu na Guinness World Book Records for more identifying say you know the trophy and I said the medal for the biggest liar in the world. He deserves it. Now somebody will ask, say, Ebanesen Guinness World Book of Records for identify Felix Kwakye. Say, onu na ye can't trophy. And I say a trophy. Whatever the word is. Ewo on mind women, I say all over the world. No. Or can one I say on first with that second. Saga because na saga ni say in 3 months no. Yes, seize cocaine bebre. Bakubi yesi ni boy $150 million US. Bakubi yesi $350 million US. Na Bakubi nso ho plenty. Na yesi zio mono, yenim say ye wo man we mu na. Police for seize cocaine some years ago. Almost cocaine no mu the investigation. Na few weeks later, yesi ye ko hwe cocaine say cocaine no wo ho a. Ye check cocaine now dani powder. Mukai. Say obi tam cocaine no koton e. And all the powder replacing. Enti say yeah as a mind uka ube catch say we seize cocaine. We need updates. We need to know who imported it. Where are they selling it? How is it going to work? Now, these are questions, legitimate questions that citizens are asking. And this very agenda, no, Reverend Tim Forjon is spearheading. Good. Now, in this agenda that Reverend Tim Forjon spearheading, no, and government spokesperson, Ashwin Faneho, I mind be anka say onukura onye din. Osati say or defending himself. Now, Emi Dese say amenu kasano. Few journalists are beginning to wake up. Because Omadache, they've really slept for long. Most of the journalists in Ghana, I don't know whether it was deliberate or not. I don't know. Because right now, you can't mind more. Only few journalists are still holding this government, this incompetent NDC government accountable. Just few of them. Majority of them there. I said they are in bed with the administration. No wonder your mom appointments.
I'm going President Mama a statement to the BM. Now make sure a body snowball boss. As of Friday, say ye say we are yet to even know say Narcotics Control Commission Edomini Pako. We are yet to know say Police CID Edomini Pako. We are yet to know say National Investigation Bureau Edomini Pako. But as of the time, and Felix Kwakye so catch there say, team no afre Honorable Reverend Ntimfodwo said he should collaborate. Now the question was, which team? Team benefit Reverend Ntimfodwo. Because there's supposed to be a team. President what kind of was it? I have directed all relevant investigative agencies, NACOP, police, NIB, and National Security Coordinator to immediately and fully collaborate with the Honorable Member of Parliament. As of that time, by how my issue is Honorable Felix Kwakye, the president write-up was clear. It was clear. As a Member of Parliament, I can't say. On what basis? And now bound to conclusion say the Member of Parliament was lying. Honorable, what do you make? President say, oh no, near what he said, the Honorable Member Akenye, or no as Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Upon whom the Yam Shisheno, and not the Yama Ghana for Yanto Kobonase, and Timap put your team together. Near your assembly, investigation of crime shall see, and quiet, but Honorable Felix Kwakye for you catch that say, Honorable Ntimfodwo a tantro. Why the catch also Honorable Ntimfodwo tantro?
What beat is said, and the Abbey Munina is the Omunkasabium. My ding. I don't know my ding. Said, do I know when no won't mean Kasa? Simple and short. Said, do I know when no with my Kasa? Debbie? It is a head you could check. Said, you could share cocoa board. I feel do I know by eba money could be l'argent. Eba, with my Kasa, won't mean Kasa. Now, His Excellency John Domani Mahama, our 1st April, Obeka say some agencies should come together and quickly investigate allegations as raised by Member of Parliament, Reverend Ntimfodwo. Now, Felix Kwakye say, ya invite Reverend. So on brand number answer questions be Reverend say uncle. And I say we Johnny. And now journalist why your friend Akwasi Nsiah, they say is revealing to us say sana omampeni man directives ni nyina no nkrofo a say omu coming together na mu forming committee omu yes investigation no omu nya nhia they have not yet met. The agencies B, NIB, CID, NACO, and the rest, they have not met yet. Omunyan share kra ye meeting baku ye met me say na meeting when they've agreed, said they want to call Reverend Ntimfodwo to come and answer some questions, 1 or 2 questions. And if Felix Kwakye eba ne sen who say ya invite Reverend Fosu Reverend Ntimfodwo or say uncle eba say one inviting agency ben inviting Mr. Felix say catch there. Biggest liar in the world right now. Hi friend Felix Kwakye, tell us which agency are inviting Reverend Ntimfodwo. Tell us. Show us a letter. Fakrata no chere. Letter of invitation. Agency kwano. The deno. Fachire. Chese nkofo no nya shaye kra no Felix Kwakye we esa ne se ne ho pre no na ye wa nka ho pre o ewu na ye ma 78 million Ghana cedis say for spending on communication 78 million Ghana cedis o kanesika no ebe almost 77.8 billion no ebe 78 billion 78 billion cedis. I say fire communications. One can home pro. One pro. Because money day, l'argent day. Ghana money. When I'm money. And omudi no say. Omudi we no. No muso sem hunso. Omudi ye Ghana money ni we no. Omu spending we no. Afede na omudi na nsem humbia na ombe kachire. And it has been found, sir, indeed, Obia invited Reverend Ntimfodwo. No one has invited him. And Felix Kwakye is just lying. And the only reason Felix Kwakye will be forced, to lie is because they know that when the truth comes out, it's going to be so damning. It's going to be very damning. Unless they sleep on it or they hide it. But if the actual truth, and if they will allow that truth to come out and we start hearing names of the people behind this consignment, huge loads of cocaine, I'm not sure, say, yesterday John Mahama will still even be proud of being president. Maybe I will resign. This has been a political rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And today, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.